Welcome. If you've been getting too many unwanted message requests on Discord, or you simply want more control over who can contact you, turning this feature off is quick and easy. In this guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can adjust your settings in just a few moments. First, open your Discord app on your phone. Once you're inside, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where all your personal settings are located. Next, you'll notice a gear-shaped icon, which is the settings menu. Tap on that, and from here, scroll down until you find the section called Content and Social. This category is where Discord keeps many of its communication and privacy settings, giving you the tools to customize your experience. Inside Content and Social, you'll see an option labeled Server Settings. Tap on it, and right there, you'll find the setting for message requests. By default, Discord may allow people outside your friends list or outside of your immediate community to reach out to you. While this can be useful for some, it can also lead to lots of clutter in your inbox. To stop receiving these requests, simply toggle off the switch for message requests. Once you do this, Discord will no longer send you messages from people you haven't directly allowed, cutting down on interruptions and giving you more peace of mind. And that's it. You're done. With just a few quick taps, you've turned off message requests on Discord. This small change is a great way to keep your experience focused only on the people you actually want to talk to. No more random messages popping up or constant distractions, just a cleaner and more comfortable app experience. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same settings and toggle it back on. Discord makes it simple to adjust whenever you need. Now you know exactly how to manage your message requests, keeping your chats better organized and tailored to your preferences.